If you can allow me, Honorable Speaker, and request the Deputy Minority Whip to just hold his horses and relax. Honorable Speaker, I wanted to confirm that indeed I also myself was standing, but I was not standing in relation, and I was counted. In relation to the adjournment motion by Honorable Kaluma, we had a consultation here, a number of us, all of us standing. The Honorable Ngeleche, he also tells me they were consulting with a member for, and Honorable Speaker, please, Honorable Speaker, protect me. You know, it is okay to be interrupted by the Honorable Robert Bui, but not this lady from Busia.
Honorable Majority Leader, Majority Leader, you have no right whatsoever.
I don't want to go there, Honorable Speaker.
No, Majority Leader, it is not this lady. It is the member for Busia.
The Honorable
Catherine
member for Busia, who has a penchant for shouting in the House instead of engaging in meaningful debate. And you know, Honorable Speaker, when you are elected as an honorable member, you must carry yourself with honor, with dignity. You don't come to this chamber to shout, Honorable Speaker. You use more of what you have, the capacity you have to debate. But Honorable Speaker, I was saying, we actually were counted in a vote that you are not supposed to be counted in, and therefore that is absolutely out of order. And I would want to support what you are saying. The Honorable Kaluma can move his motion again. Those who want to support him, like Honorable Pio and I, like Honorable Robert Mbui, can support him. Those like myself who believe, Honorable Speaker.
You have made your point. I think I have heard from Honorable Chepkonga.
The Honorable Chair of the committee has also pointed out something very important.
Honorable Majority Leader.
That matter is before active before a committee that Kaluma sits in.
Your time is up. You have made your point. I have heard Honorable Chepkonga. I have heard the chair of the committee where the member